Hey foodies, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade almond milk. The first step is taking 1 cup of almonds and soaking it in 5 cups of cold water overnight. Then strain them. Once you're done straining them, then add them into your blender with 5 cups of water. Then add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. You can add in any other additional flavors, including cocoa powder or berries, but we're just making vanilla kind, so use vanilla extract, and then we added in some stevia. But you can also use dates to sweeten it. Once you've added in all your ingredients, then blend it. Once you are done blending your milk, then add it into your nut bag and squeeze it out of the nut bag until all of the liquid is extracted. Once you're done squeezing the milk out of the nut bag, then you have some almond pulp left over, and this is the almond pulp. You can add it into your baked goods to make it taste more like almond. Once you're done, add it into a mason jar, or in this case we're using a large glass container, and yeah. So that's how you make homemade almond milk. Thank you for watching. Bye.